Good morning, everybody, and this is your SP 500 setups for today. So first thing to notice is we do have some diversions in play here. You can see our price making higher highs, oscillators kind of making lower lows, except for this break here. So between there and there. But if you look between where we are now and when was this? This was the 29th of November. That's kind of where the previous high of the oscillator was, and you can see we're not there at the moment, yet price is higher than that point. So there is a bit of divergence. That's not that clear, but it is there, and that is bearish divergence, and we've broken through quite a bit of structure. Now let's just get to the 3 hour while you hit that like button for us and drop us a comment or share. Every bit of interaction does help us. And if I just come back to those two key levels, and then what I want to do is this gap that's open, just put that in as well. So these two levels are interesting because it is 45.95 and 4600. So those are the two areas that I'd be very, very curious to see what's going to happen. Look at our oscillators on the 3 hour, extremely overbought. So not wanting to jump in long up there on the 3 hour. And 8 hour with diversion, that's also just a little bit of a warning bell. And then the daily is also extremely overbought. So not something that I want to be paying attention to at the moment for longs, but these levels lower down are definitely something that I want to pay attention to. So let's just get the 15 minutes, just get straight to the opportunities. So the first opportunity obviously is here, 4600. There's a little gap there, so 4600 to 46.95. That'll be roughly 100 pip stop loss, and then I just want to get these two diagonal, well, this one diagonal in on those two fractals, because you can see that's definitely the level we need to be paying attention to. This would be the next one lower down, but I don't think that's going to happen. Then we've got the gap all the way down here at 45.85. Look at our oscillators at the moment, separated quite nicely. And when this normally happens, you've normally got an explosive move to the upside. So I suspect 4600 is going to be the opportunity. You're going to have your stop below 45.95. If you get below that, then I'd be paying attention for a switch, because you'd probably find ourselves find support here, come up, reject, that'll give you your entry, and then break through. And then what you'd be paying attention for is the bottom of the range again, which would be around this area here, which is at 45.40. I'd look at 45.50 as my take profit area for that if it was to materialize. That would be a little scalp, so you're going against the trend on the bigger time frame, so be very wary of that. Yeah, anyway, so that's kind of my view. 4600 is the most logical area to find support, and that's what I'd be watching for. And you might just want to watch it during the morning session once Europe is open, because Europe may actually just continue higher. So the DAX is at a weekly all-time high, no resistance ahead of it. So it's probably going to be trading out measured moves. So we'll have a look at that next, see what measured moves are still in play. And those are the moves that are probably going to be trading. Okay, so anyway, 4600 is the area to pay attention to. Break below 45.95 and a retest. Not just a break, it must come back, it must reject the level, and then start rolling. That is your opportunity for the short. Nothing less than that. Okay, so you want the confirmation before you jump in on anything. And short is risky at the moment, so just keep that in the back of your mind. I'm not interested in shorts. It's too risky for me. I'd rather go with the trend. Anyway, hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.